one of the best quality jiggers you can use and used by the best professionals in the industry.
Expert reviews.
This is the Cocktail Kingdom Japanese style jigger. This is one of my favorite jiggers to use to get perfectly measured cocktails behind the bar. Great and narrow in the middle so that you can flip it upside down and around as you're working quickly. And the tall length on the 2-ounce side versus the 1-ounce side has interior markings so that you can measure very specifically all the way up to 2 ounces on this side and then up to 1 ounce on this side. Always like the Japanese style jigger because it lays down nice on your bar mat, and also very, very accurate because it's taller and more specific with the interior markings. I started using the Japanese style jigger about 7 or 8 years ago when the Japanese style jigger gained popularity from the craft cocktail movement that hit the United States, and definitely have the highest quality for at-home use and definitely will stand up to professional use at a craft cocktail bar.